Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Now we want do some podcasts about overseas program, and in the overseas program where we talk about international opportunity, experience, and others. Okay. Before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ahmad Dufari, and
My name is Rafael Palas.
And my name is Red Faraday Koni.
okay. Let's start. Okay. First question is why we must try to overseas. Yeah, for me, overseas is very important because in now in other country there is very of lot new technology. Not there is not wholesale garden. There is no in this country Indonesia. Yeah, in other country like China, USA, Singapore. Yeah, there's country is a very faster growing technology. And then when overseas it's not about traveling. Yeah, for me it's like study, growing, and uh, get an experience and other. Then what about you about overseas?
Uh, what me for overseas, you can learn again to in China. Like you can see in there there is technology is faster than Indonesia, and then you can study in Malaysia, Singapore, or any country for and you can working like now many people in Indonesia work in Japan for yeah for work in there, and then uh, you can learn for people in China to use technology or to use or to make uh, any technology.
Okay, it's from Rapa and we next to Owen.
Or for the question is versus
Why
versus
we
program.
try?
Why we try. So for our agenda in last semester after 12 year, which is the second semester, we have uh, backpacker in three country. Yeah. This is like our new experience, and this is program is very good because we travel to three country, that is like Malaysia, Thailand, and Singapore. So the country it's very amazing. They always upgrade like technology, like government and everything. It's very good. So yeah, we can see in like China and like my TikTok page. It's every video. It's like about China, because China is always upgrade the technology, update economy and everything, and it's the country is very beautiful in every city. So because that we can we must travel the others country. We must upgrade our relation because we can learn because we can learn from that. So yeah, for travel and study at outside our country, like others country, Malaysia and others, it's very important for us.
Okay, okay. In Korean and yeah, well, Korea already talked about mm, backpacker tree country. Yeah, you know,
Yes.
in ADN in 12th grade, we must do backpacker tree country. It's the Malaysia, Singapore, and Thailand. Yeah, but for the money, we must reach by ourselves. Yeah, because in 12th grade we must do internship. Yeah, internship is 2 semester. In there, we must raise a lot of money for can pay the backpacker, and then uh, yeah for me is that backpacker three countries a good program because you know not many school in Indonesia do like this program. This program is very good. The student can go to abroad to learning and watching the other country like the technology, government, and the others. It's very good for student. And then, what do you think about backpacker? Why do you not join to backpacker 10 country?
Okay.
Apa?
Because if I join, there's have a lot of money for 10
Yes.
country, then for food or for money in like spend, I think 10 million until 50, 15 or 10
Noted.
for 10 countries.
Okay.
70 million.
Yeah, I think
But for every month, we have to pay 4 million.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. Then for join, I think yeah, because your parents uh, can work lebih keras aja.
Touch to guess.
No, no, lebih keras.
More,
More hard. Yes. Work more hard for yours one. Like go to like joining 10 countries.
Yeah, it's very expensive for join to the Better country. Yeah, and then for me, maybe if we join to the backpacker country, I think we're not very focused to the study. Like we can we learn in the move place. Yeah, like in the first month in India and next month in Arab. Yeah, it's very mengganggu. We start our focus to learning and yeah. But if you want to traveling, it's very good because uh, when again you can go to the 10 countries in now. Okay, for okay, next way.
Yeah, for me, why I not join backpacker and country Sandal Batam because I don't have much money because for backpacker and country the salary is more it's very expensive. So because that I didn't join the backpacker and country and the second because I must focus for my study. I must study serious because I have dream for uh, follow the internship program and find the work for a company for later maybe after graduation from my dad because we must have the many skill our we always upgrade our skill like in TKJ we must update about this routing and the others so when and if we have a dream for study abroad, we must update about our English uh, English skill. And yeah, for the backpacker 10 country, it's very good because have the experience travel to the more much country, so they can learn in every country, like in India. So in India, there is traditional food, have a taste good traditional food, and because that they can learn about the country and some like the other country like Arab Saudi. It's the Muslim country, and because that they can umroh and others. So and many country they fall for travel.
Okay. Yeah, this about backpacker three 10 country. Okay. Maybe I hope we are can go to 10 country and future. Maybe. And then we'll talk about teaching in other country ya. You not that get the opportunity. Ya, same gitu. But I think in the future I maybe I hope I will get the opportunity to teaching in other country. Yeah, it's very good experience. Like you can teach in other school in abroad. Yeah, it's very good. Like you can see how in other country the student learning how, about what like what the different in our country. Yeah, and then talk about OSIS. Okay. I want to ask you what the country you very want to go in there.
Uh,
Your country.
I think well, in go to Turkey, I think because in there I think very beautiful for the space and the mountain.
Turkey, yeah.
Yes,
Okay. And then in the Turkey there is many building and story of Muslim, right?
yes.
Turkey. Yeah, and then there is no one to Smolgit.
I think
Okay. And what about you, Roy?
Uh, yeah, I have plan for travel this country like China and then yeah in China because uh, in this was I always play TikTok so in my TikTok I will always show to me about China city like Qingdao, Guangzhou and others and like I show speed travel to China,
Yeah.
come to China, and he live stream at this country, and I see the best part of the country, like technology, have a flying car, yes. And then yeah, it's many more. Uh, and the second country is uh, what? Yeah, Arab Saudi maybe. Yeah, because I want umroh and haji with my family, inshallah.
Still long.
Amazing.
15 minutes.
Okay, next. For me, I want to go in Swiss. Yeah, in Swiss is very good country because I like mountain. Arrive in there is very
Natural.
if very natural, not like Indonesia. Indonesia is
Forest.
where the forest is already get uh it's already get check to the like building. Yeah, you know Indonesia like in Kalimantan. There's already many hectare of forest already change to the city. Okay, and next Arab. Yeah, I want to go to Arab because you know Arab is the Muslim country. You know, like there is many story in there, and yeah, we must go to in there because we must do umrah and haji. Okay, next we want to talk about uh, yeah,
Study.
kuliah,
Study university.
Study.
study university. Study college. What? Where you want to study college?
Uh, I have applied for uh, study at university for I have the name some university I want to join for next study for the first I don't know the for the place the university but actually I will go to Malaysia because I want to study abroad so and because Malaysia is so near from Indonesia. Eh,
Yes.
yeah. And in Malaysia, the salary for our life is same like same in Indonesia. Uh,
Not very expensive. Yeah.
not expensive. And maybe in for the university, I want to join for Universitas Teknologi Malaysia,
UTM.
UTM. And for the second maybe in University Malaya. And maybe if I cannot go abroad, maybe I study in university in Indonesia maybe and uh, maybe I will choose BINUS or maybe I will choose Telkom University. Telkom it's uh, good have a good facility and they have best how do you say pembelajaran
That's all.
best story and others yeah.
Okay. We next to Rafa. What's your dream country to college? Okay.
I think the first, like same with Ryan, the first is in Malaysia for the University of Technology Malaysia or UCM. And then for if I don't study abroad in there, I think the first choice in Indonesia, I think like in University of Indonesia, or the second is BINUS, and because I think in Malaysia so good for study abroad in there because the study or the university is better than in Indonesia. Like I don't know for the rank of university in the world because uh, Malaysia in is better university university in Indonesia. Then for the life in Malaysia, I think same like Indonesia, but in there is lebih expensive, more expensive.
Okay, for me, yeah, me like I want to study abroad to Malaysia too. I don't know. Maybe in the end, many people yeah want to continue the study in Malaysia. Yeah, like UTM, UM. Like I asked my parents if I want to college in abroad. Uh, abroad, uh, try to the near country first before like you try to yang far like Japan others. And then Malaysia is the if we go to Malaysia, the we're not very different. Like we have like people Melayu, like the language not very different and culture not very different lah. Then we we already talk about college and now we will talk about work. You interest work in other country?
Uh, if I get in another country, I can take because for the money or for the money, and then uh, if you work in Indonesia, you can get money because you can get money, but uh, you better work in another country. Uh, you can get more money in there. But if but the life in another country not same like Indonesia. Uh, like in Malaysia, you can no, like in Japan, uh, life life in there, lifestyle in there, you can more in is expensive for more Indonesia because in there you can like buy food like sushi and another food in Japan, and then for Indonesia for the can get money just like yeah like 5 million or 4 million or di bawah itu apa?
Under
Under 5 and 4 million.
yeah, I throw about that and okay. Okay. You know, many of people from Indonesia already go to work in other countries like Japan, Malaysia, Australia, Singapore, yeah. Because they say work in there is more get more money than Indonesia. But I think yeah, just same because in other country lifestyle like buy food, some for the hotel like that is very expensive. Why? Because that the salary in there is more or less from Indonesia. And what do you think, Roy?
Yeah, working at others country. Yeah, I will take if I have
Opportunity. Opportunity.
opportunity for work at others country, because yeah, as we know, like when we apply for a job in Indonesia, have the uh, recruitment yang aneh, recruitment yang aneh gitu.
The crazy record.
Yeah, the crazy recruitment. Yeah, for the example, I apply for internship program, but we must have 1 or 2 years the experience in the others company. This is very so un,
Annoying. Aneh.
yeah
Annoying.
crazy because we we need have the experience, but the recruitment
But have experience.
but we don't have the experience. So yeah, same not like the other country like Malaysia. For the in Malaysia, if in Malaysia the like a recruitment, yeah, just you need uh, minat untuk kerja, minat untuk kerja,
Minat intention.
intention for working as well. So yeah, maybe after graduation from
Then
from company in general. Yeah, I just find a job in other country. So if I have opportunity for job in other country, yeah, I will take the job.
okay. Next, I want to ask. Are you already uh, go to abroad already?
Uh,
Are you already pernah how to say,
Ever.
ever go to abroad?
Do you ever go to
Do you ever go to abroad?
uh,
Ya, you know what?
I'm uh, pernah
ever?
ever in sixth grade,
Sixth grade
sixth grade,
still in
still
6 years ago.
how to say SD
SD.
SD elementary
Elementary school.
School in three country, same like 12th grade program, like go to Malaysia, go to Singapore and Thailand, and but in what is it?
Elementary school.
Elementary is I joining for school in there, like uh, go to school like
In my
in Malaysia, in Singapore, and in Thailand. Is I'm joining to study in there.
oh,
Great.
okay. Yeah, me already go to in Malaysia in three grade elementary school. Yeah, I traveling with my family there just 2 week. Yeah, I go to Malaysia. Yeah, in Malaysia there is many good place to the traveling. Like I go to the zoo. Zoo Malaysia is very have many animals different like Indonesia. And then there is big aquatic. Yeah, you can see the many species of fish in there like white shark and others. And okay, next friend.
Uh, for travel to country, I never abroad. So because Yeah, but I have a passport. Yeah, I just waiting for the time and I go to the other country. But because I always travel in Indonesia and I like it. And
You want to travel to Indonesia first
yeah,
before go
Indonesia
to abroad.
first, like go to Papua
Oh, okay.
and then Lombok. It's
Yeah,
very good than others. Yeah, for maybe for the others country like Maldives or the others. Yeah, maybe South Africa. I like it.
oh,
Yeah,
you like that nature, right?
and the forest. It's very crazy. It's very good. Yeah, inshallah I will go to South Africa. So
Yeah. Okay, maybe the podcast already done, and if we have mistakes, and yeah, okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.